Introducing MaRS Schedule Manager, a powerful Revit plugin. This helps you take control of your project data with a smarter, structured approach. Experience seamless two-way Excel synchronization between Revit and your spreadsheets. Export your selected categories and parameters directly to Excel. Launch MaRS Schedule Manager from the Revit ribbon. Choose the Revit categories you want to manage. Reorder parameters using simple drag and drop functionality. Customize the structure according to your project standards. Save your configuration as a preset. Reuse it anytime to eliminate repetitive setup. Export instantly to an Excel file in .xlsx format. Open the spreadsheet and perform bulk updates. Modify values such as mark, comments, or custom parameters using Excel tools and formulas. Once your edits are complete, import the updated file back into Revit and synchronize your changes instantly. Use the import function to load your updated Excel file into the plugin. Before applying changes, review the validation preview. You stay in full control of your model. Reload your saved preset anytime. Watch your parameters automatically align with your predefined structure, ensuring consistency across projects. Export everything from model elements and schedules to project standards and linked file references. Built by BIM professionals for real-world Revit projects. Download MaRS Schedule Manager today.